and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a very niche one. I can't imagine we're going to get many views on this, but I do not care because I need to show you this and share it, and I know for some people this might be super helpful. So today I'm going to tell you about my first ever Loungefly bag. Now, if you don't know what Loungefly is, it's basically a brand that do lots of bags and sort of purses and things like that, but all from like pop culture things. So they've got Disney, they've got Marvel, they've got DC, they've got SpongeBob, they've got MTV, I'm trying to think of other things on there. And they basically do bags, Harry Potter, and they basically do bags and accessories about these topics. So if you'd like to see my first ever Loungefly, then just keep watching. So this is my bag. I love it. It is the Iron Man Iron Gauntlet Mini Backpack. Now I'm going to show you up in more detail. So this is the bag. This is gorgeous red colour. It's red leather or faux leather, I think. And you've obviously got the Infinity Stones here. You've got the detail here, which is super cute. You've got the Avengers Endgame like logo on the side. Now on the side here you've got I Love You 3000, which actually makes my heart melt. And these are two side pockets, which is super handy. And there's also one on the other side. This one's plain. You've got just plain burgundy straps, which I just think would be really cute. So I want an all black outfit, having these sort of burgundy stripes would be really cute. On the zips, they say Loungefly, which is super cute. And then on the inside, the lining says, let me try and show you, it says, I am Iron Man and I am inevitable, which obviously is a quote from the film. Now, I love this. Justin actually kindly got this for me for Valentine's Day. I'd been eyeing it out for ages, and he was like, I can't deal with you keep on talking about this bag, send me the link. So I actually knew I was getting this and actually knew for quite a while. So I love this bag. So these retail for £70, which I know is quite expensive, but these are super well made, and this is definitely sort of more of a collector's item. I will probably wear this. No, I will wear this. I'm determined to wear it because it's the sort of thing I'll get and leave on a shelf and just admire, but be too scared to use. So I'm determined to use it. These Loungefly bags, I don't know if this specific one, but once a collection comes out, they kind of go. They don't re-release them. So collections don't last too long and obviously go out quite quickly. So these do resell for a bit more if you have sort of a collector's one. Now I don't know if this is sort of a super desirable one. To me it's gorgeous and I love it, but obviously that's something to bear in mind with Loungefly. They are a bit more expensive, but then they can resell for more, and they are sort of a collector's item and kind of a special thing. Now people have absolutely massive collections of these. This is my first little baby and I'm sure I will get more, potentially one when I go to the park. So me and Justin are planning on going to the park, Disneyland Paris, at the end of the year. And Avengers Campus is meant to be open by then. I don't know if it will, because obviously there's been lots of delays due to Corona and everything, but I'm so excited to wear this nonetheless. In Studios Park, which they already have lots of Marvel stuff there, and meet the characters with my Iron Gauntlet bag. And they do have a Thanos version, which I think is a bit older, but I obviously went for Iron Man because Iron Man actually is my favourite, and I said that since the first time I watched them, that Iron Man is my favourite, so I'm really glad I got an Iron Man bag. Now I love the Disney ones, and there's so many pretty Disney ones that potentially would have gone with more, but every time I was looking at the website, I kept going back to this. So this is from Truffle Shuffle, which is a UK website. If you're not in the market for these, but do sort of like any of them sort of brands I mentioned before, sort of Harry Potter and Disney and all that sort of thing, then definitely check that website out. They've got lots of 90s films as well and lots of different things, and lots of good gift ideas for them people that are really hard to buy for. So I'm obsessed with this bag. I actually haven't taken out the stuffing. As I say, I know this is a bit of a rogue video, but I wanted to show you this bag in all its glory and just sort of give some information on Loungefly if you're sort of intrigued on getting one and didn't really know where to start. So Truffle Shuffle, again, I'll leave the link below, is where I got this one, and they have so many lovely bags on there, and I literally can't wait to wear this. So it needed to have its own video about me just appreciating this bag so much. But if you did enjoy today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment if there's any Loungeflies that you want to check out and send me the link, so I'll be intrigued to see what sort of Loungeflies you guys are into. Or if you have one, definitely let me know. Tag me in your photos on Instagram. I love to see them. But if you did enjoy today's video, as I said, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already, and I'll definitely post any updates if I get any of these bags, any more of these bags, and also when I wear this out, I will update you on Instagram probably. So definitely check it out there. But I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!